Welcome to the Mackenzie Ridge Terraces, a family-friendly townhome community nestled on a ravine. Pay special attention to the functional features this townhome offers. 3 large bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 garage parking spaces. Starting with the main floor, notice the hardwood flooring and an open-concept living and dining area overlooking the community playground. The large eat-in kitchen features stainless steel appliances and overlooks the terrace with a gas barbecue hookup. The second floor has 2 large bedrooms, located at the front and the back of the home to maximize sunlight, as well as a laundry room and a 4-piece bathroom centrally located on the second floor. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the 500-square-foot third-floor master retreat with 2 separate walk-in closets and a huge 5-piece ensuite bathroom, equipped with a soaker tub. Welcome home.